In this video, I will show you how to install SOOP app on your Android TV. This is very easy. Subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful. If you have an Android TV like mine and want to install the SOOP application, the first thing is to connect to the internet. Now, in this case, you don't Google Play Store or App Store. So what are you going to do? You're going to use the application log using a lot called Downloader, which is an intermediate application that you can use to search for files from across the internet and install them to your Android TV. Here's how the application looks like. Now, if you don't have this application on your Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you get the application. Once you go to the application, launch it, and here is it. Once you go over here, just type in the application you're looking for, like SOOP app, or install SOOP app on Android TV. So once you type in the right keyword, you go ahead and click on search. Once you click on search, downloader is going to provide you with the result page, which you can go ahead and try the various options to see which one is going to work for you. So for instance, there are many options. There are many. So let's just go and try one of them. Let's just try this to see if it's going to work for us. Now you just have to scroll and make sure you bring your cursor to here and I click on it, and then it's going to show you this and we'll have the install button, and then you click on install and download and install the application to your Android TV, and hopefully these options works. I cannot guarantee that it always works, but if it doesn't work, you can always go ahead, change the keyword and search again. So download is going to help you all of that. Subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this.